Hi, this is your licensed real estate broker, Jonathan Mendez in San Quintin, Baja California, Mexico. And today I greet you from Valle Tranquilo because we have a 3-bedroom house. It sits right on the water on 1.4 acres of land. Please stay throughout the whole video so you can get all the details. Thank you very much. Please allow me to give you my personal thoughts on this house. Yes, the good and the bad. Number one, this house can be owned outright through a bank trust or a Mexican corporation. Number two, the lot size is 1.4 acres with 200 feet of oceanfront, and beach access can be found just 325 yards away. Number three, the house sits just 36 feet away from the bluff, a bluff that has suffered erosion over the years. Number four, the house has been recently remodeled, but only partial. So the 1,432 square feet of living space needs some detail work. Please leave me your thoughts on this house just below this video in the comment section, and I will respond to you. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video with me. If you still have some questions, please leave them below this video and I will be more than happy to give you all the information that you need. Please know that I will leave a link in the description of this video to my website where you can get all the details of this house and you can see other options that we have for selling our community. I thank you for all the support I get from you in social media. Thank you very much.